Hi, I'm Elliot, and this is the TPX, RUBI's turbo disc for cutting thick, hard materials. The TPX is able to miter cut, as well as straight cut, 13/16 porcelain, like what you see here, as well as synthesized and natural stone. This SUPERPRO blade has two ways in which it cools itself down. First of all, because it's a turbo blade, there's little gaps in the diamond band. And second of all, it has these holes in the body of the blade, which allow air to pass through as well. Now we're going to do a cut, and you will see the high quality finish that this blade gets you. That's our video on the TPX blade. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via our social media or via our website, rubi.com. And I'll see you at the next video.